starting to get dirty. There's a lot of litter everywhere.
Yes, because there are trash cans that many people still litter.
I think we should start with ourselves. Let's get used to throwing trash in this place so our friends do the same.
I agree. How about we can up the litter now?
That's a good idea. We can also invite our friends to community service cleaning the park every weekend.
And don't forget, have 3 types of waste. First, organic waste. Second, inorganic waste. And last but not least, hazardous waste or BP. Example this bottle cup. This, which is inorganic waste.
If everyone is aware, in environment will definitely be cleaner and healthier.
Let's start now. A clean environment makes life